How to fix Opera GX lagging. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if your Opera GX browser is lagging. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is come to your home page and make sure that your browser is up to date. And once you make sure that you have an up-to-date browser, then what you want to do is come to the home page, and on the left hand side you have different tools. You're just going to head over to GX Control, and maybe you are limiting your CPU, so uncheck this button and then scroll down. You also have to uncheck this network limiter, and then memory limit. If it's set to hard limit on memory, just disable all of this. So disable all of these limiters and it should start working properly again. But if this did not fix your problem, then you just want to go ahead and clear your data or clear your cache. So just click on this cleaner and then wait for it to load. Now you can start cleaning your cache, cookies, and everything. So click on clean, and once it has completely cleaned it, then what you're going to do next is go ahead and open up your settings menu. And once you open up your settings, you are just going to go ahead and search for hardware acceleration. So click on the search bar and search for hardware acceleration. And once you turn on the hardware acceleration, you just want to head over to the browser tab and then scroll down a bit until you find this option, snooze inactive tabs to save memory. After doing all of this, just close it out and refresh your computer and restart your browser, and it should stop lagging now. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.